Messieurs, dames, bien le bonjour, bien le bonsoir. Nous nous retrouvons pour la suite de Dispatch, l'épisode 3. Oui, j'ai encore les mêmes vêtements parce que bien évidemment, je tourne ça à la suite. Voilà. Ce qu'on essaye de faire, c'est tourner un maximum de vidéos avant les épisodes, je pense, finaux. Parce que si nous allons dans jouer et que nous avançons, nous voyons bien que les 7 et le 8 sortent le mercredi 12. Et à l'heure où je tourne la vidéo, nous sommes le 9 novembre. Voilà. Donc on va essayer de faire en sorte que le 12, soit nous soyons à jour, soit on enchaîne à la limite un épisode au moins. C'est-à-dire qu'on va essayer de faire en sorte que le 6 soit tourné en même temps que le 7 et le 8. Je dis on alors que je suis tout seul. Voilà. Mais bon. Mais bien évidemment, avant de commencer cet épisode, une vidéo de Gourenito n'est pas une vidéo de Gourenito sans le délicieux café. Écoutez, messieurs, dames, ne perdons pas plus de temps et allons-y pour l'épisode 3. Donc là, théoriquement, nous sommes censés rencontrer notre équipe. Et on verra bien ce que ça va faire. Par contre, je retiens que Invisimeuf, elle sait qu'on est Mechaman alors qu'on est censé garder ça off, quoi. Ah mais je suis con, mais oui. Oh, je suis con. Elle nous a écouté quand on parlait avec la blonde. C'est vrai, j'avais zappé ça. Pourquoi je me suis pas rappelé tout à l'heure? Ok.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey, what are you doing?
Brother, your warranty already void.
How can you just toss it around like that?
No worries, I'm pretty strong.
Ouais, c'est ce que je vois, mais bon.
How you got this thing inside your apartment anyways? Oh, super heavy, the bugger.
I disassembled it and took it in little pieces, which is what I thought you'd be doing.
And how long that take you?
3 or... No, it was 4 days.
I get 20 minutes.
It just feels
Ok, d'accord.
be a little gentler with it. It is, you know, my whole fucking life.
Every time I walk in this place, I get sad. That not happen to you? No one ever tell you that? Or no one never come over to
Je suis pauvre.
I'm poor, Royd. Is that what you want to hear? Does that make you feel good?
Yeah, bro, you're not poor if you can keep this suit going. Like, where you sleep?
We're figuring that out.
You're figuring that out, huh? Shoot, even the beef got a bed. This the type of apartment you see when the detective kicked the door in, you know? Shine the flashlight, serial killer shit.
All right, I get it. Can we focus on...
Where the Astro Pulse at?
Lost in the blast while I was flying. No clue where it landed. I spent a couple weeks after it happened trying to track it down.
It powered the whole suit.
Yeah, it's the only piece of the suit my dad didn't have schematics for. That gonna be a problem?
Ah, mine not. We figure them out.
How'd you know about the...
Merci, Royd.
Oh, brother, everybody know about the Pulse. There's actually 2 wicked pieces of tech, huh? First you get the Astro Pulse, this genius design energy cell. But inside them, you get the stellar core.
Can I help?
No, brother. You good. What's crazy is when you mix the control fusion reactions with the plasma containment. Oh, brother. You got a core one super crazy energized plasma state.
Ok, donc là, il nous fait un petit cours.
Chop them in a bottle. Genius.
So you can just make me a new one, right? Which is why it's not a problem.
The Astropulse super awesome, but we'll be all right. Whew. Man, maybe we go for lighter metals this time, huh?
Ça dépend. S'ils sont plus légers mais plus résistants, oui, sinon...
Long time ago. First time I come mainland. You'll catch me trying to steal stuff from Radio Shack.
Ah, ok, d'accord.
Stuff for like a whole hour. Then he would
Ok.
take me to jail. That's how I ended up in the Phoenix program.
That's longer than any conversation I ever had with him.
Bombas.
Ouais, mais bon, c'est pas grave.
Guess when you're building astropulses, there's not much time for talking to your son.
Not so sure about that.
I don't understand.
You see, there's gearheads, then there's science nerds. One kind garage, the other kind lab, you know. Your father one good gearhead, but I just can't see how he'll make something like the Pulse. You know, science nerd.
How would you know this from talking to
Okay.
him once?
Cause I'm both. True, I'm the one gonna fix your suit. That one-
Excuse-nous, Iron Man.
That's your father's suit. We gonna make this one a Robert soup.
This is incredible, Roy.
I hope you like it, brother.
Roy, I don't know what to say. Thank you. Thank you is what I need to say. This is unreal.
We make the man Mecca again.
Ok, l'épisode commence très bien.
Kobe.
Laisse tomber. Ça sert à rien.
I think he did that on purpose.
Peut-être. Où tu vas le mettre le dogo là au bureau?
Hey, Chase, I need a favor.
Favor? It's not enough of a favor getting you this job working with those stupid ass pieces of. Oh! Who's this little guy?
His name's Beef, and he's the favor. You mind keeping an eye out? I feel bad leaving him at home, but I don't want anything happening to him.
Robert, I would literally let everyone here melt in eternal hell, including you, before anything happens to this dog.
Oh.
What's your name, little guy?
My name's Beef and I'm naked.
Oh, no, I refuse to believe that's what he sounds like. Robert, you got a sec?
Sure, yeah.
Oh. Chase toujours le GOAT. Qu'est-ce que je voulais que je dise?
About the other day with Phenomenon.
Oh, oula.
How's dinner?
Oh, it was awkward. It's why I didn't want you to come. Phenomenon and I broke up.
Ok, je comprends mieux.
The dream sushi?
Yeah, it's just the timing felt right. I don't know. Sometimes you just gotta shake shit up. It felt a little impulsive, but maybe it was a long time coming. It's hard to say.
Hey, I'm really sorry to hear that.
It is what it is. But that's actually not what I wanted to talk to you about. I was
Okay.
thinking about it over the weekend, and I'm going to cut someone from the Z team.
Ah.
Or you are, rather. Maybe I'm just looking to shake things up all over the place. Create a sense of urgency.
T'es
Are
sûr?
you sure about that?
Je suis pas convaincu perso.
Less sure now. You think it's a bad idea?
I'm just not sure how it'll play out.
Oui, surtout que je vois pas qui
The reality
virer.
is, cutting someone towards the bottom of the leaderboards will show everyone we're serious.
Ouais, mais non.
I'll let the
Je suis
team
pas
know.
d'accord.
Oh, I already did.
I suppose it'll be an interesting shift.
Je suis pas trop d'accord perso à virer quelqu'un. Ah, et la dernière c'est un Visigal. Très bien.
Okay, huh? Eh, she ain't bad. Those three ain't shit.
Did you come over here to tell me that? Because it's almost exactly.
Ouais, limite,
Actually, smart ass, I came over to tell you that
À limite, tête sonar.
is in need of assistance.
parce qu'avec le fait qu'il vrille complet et il se transforme, c'est peut-être pas le meilleur choix.
Sonar, you alright? Why are you sending a distress call when you haven't left the building?
Could you send a locksmith downstairs?
What happened?
Coop seduced me.
No. I said, hey, want to see something cool, and then handcuffed you to a squat rack.
But you said it with a hot voice, so I assumed you meant boobs.
Okay, team, I know Blazer mentioned someone's getting cut, but don't let that distract you from doing a good job out there. That's what you'll be judged on.
What a bunch of bullshit.
Sorry, what's bullshit?
Judgy bullshit.
How is that?
Yeah, only God can judge me.
Okay, false. I'm judging you right now.
It's bullshit, because it's not like you gotta deal with this kind of bullshit.
Also false. Of course I'm being judged along with the rest of you. Do you not know what a job is? What the hell is going
None
on?
of us have had real jobs, dude. How is this a surprise to you?
All right, fine. Just ignore the pressure and do your jobs. You don't need to be first. You just can't be last.
Exactement.
What about me?
Can somebody go down to the gym and help Batboner?
Who?
Don't ask.
Losing feeling in my hand, and not in a fun, kinky way.
Pourquoi F? Ah. Ok, non. On va attendre que ça. Allez.
There was an altercation
Ok.
with my team and a monster down at the beach, and there's
Donc
something
retirer le reste des
really-
montres. Ok.
There's
Charger les morceaux, donc une forte médiatique et civile. Faut quelqu'un qui ait de la force.
I think we can pull this off.
Hein? Je-
Yeah, no.
Hein? Elle s'est rajoutée toute seule là.
I'm doing it.
Ok.
What the fuck, dude? Wow, betrayed by a fellow degenerate.
Shitty street kids love me. I'm like their king.
Sème-le.
What's the matter, kid? Can't climb fire escapes? Idiot.
Uh-huh. You know, this is really fucking immature, guys.
Serves them right. You let your guard down, you perish.
That's a pretty fucked way to live.
Emphasis on live.
On va voir.
Oh my god. You do realize that sabotaging each other isn't going to guarantee you a spot on the team, right?
Oh, ça commence.
Think I'm gonna use me head.
Putain. T'es dur, on ne ressent aucun malus de blessure. Ah, ok, bon, ça c'est bon, mais.
There's a drug deal happening at the
Ok.
Port right now. I think you should send the bad guy. He seems right for the job. No problemo.
Putain, attends, qui s'y connaît bien en drogue? Possession de drogue. Je crois qu'il y a elle. Là, les deux. Parfait.
Yeah, yeah.
Ok. Non mais c'est pas possible.
We're swarmed together like this? It's intimidating. What? Surprise drops are good for a brand.
Mais en fait, ils sont en train de se saboter pour être sûr que c'est pas l'un ou l'autre qui va virer.
Playing the
Mais
hit
c'est con.
works every time.
Il faut arrêter en fait. Qu'est-ce qui se passe là? Ok. Passer à l'offensive si nécessaire. Allez, on va mettre Malévola et Golem en vrai.
Different.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Sur une mission à 2 emplacements, certains emplacements peuvent conférer plus 2 à une stat et moins. Ok. Allez, qu'est-ce qu'ils vont se faire? Qu'est-ce qu'ils vont se faire? Allez, voilà, c'était sûr. Golem a mené Malévola vers une secte qui la vénère.
We had fucking clammy hands.
Je la comédie, je la comédie.
Ugh, I need a shower. A long one.
Putain, elle est blessée, fait chier.
Would everybody please stay in your lanes?
Ça c'est quoi ça? Ça sert à rien, super. « 71. » Eh ben voilà, au moins un truc de bien.
I'll be right back. Just gotta go powder my cocaine.
Dude, you promised me you were gonna cut back.
I will right after this bump. And like 4 more bumps.
Alors qu'est-ce qui se passe là?
Been a while since I had
Par une victime,
fun with
rassembler les
something
infos
like
sur
that.
l'arnaque.
But this shit was worth it for sure.
Ugh, fuck you.
Faut quelqu'un qui parle pas mal, sauf que ça c'est elle est en repos.
We followed the
Attends.
drug traffickers to their base near the refinery. Let's shut them down for good.
Apporter une bonne force de frappe. Attends, toi qu'est-ce que t'as?
Impressed by this if I wasn't in ever increasing pain.
He's a grown man bad hybrid. He can figure it out himself.
On monte à la source. C'est bon.
Hey, my grandma
Je vais attendre que Prisme. Voilà, c'est bon. Donc Prisme. Et... Ah, j'aurais envoyé lui, mais on va attendre Malévola. Elle arrive dans pas longtemps. Voilà. Hop, toi t'as fini. 47. Ça passera pas. Ah, chier. Ils le font exprès, c'est pas possible. Quelqu'un qui peut arrêter un glissement de terrain. Ligue 2. Ok. Pour l'émission à 2 emplacements, gagne 1 en combat. Ok. D'accord, je vous envoie tous les deux, hein, étant donné que vous êtes désignés. Enfermez Flambeau dans une queue.
Don't you mess with me. Still got it.
What the fuck did you do? I'm drowning in here.
Oui, attends, oh. Ah, j'ai pas le code. J'ai le code. J'arrête.
Yeah, just take your fucking time.
Oh là, il est en train de me saouler. Allez, ah, j'étais pas loin. Gauche baba. J'étais pas loin. Hein. Merde. Ouais, qu'est-ce qui se passe là? Sonar m'a poussé dans la piscine pendant un cours d'aquagym. Mais pas, je déteste l'eau. Éclabousselé, tire-toi. Oh la journée de merde. Oh. Et en plus elle est blessée. Oh là 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 là. La cata, la boulette. Ah, là on peut pas se foirer. S'il vous plaît. Merci.
Wow. Keep it up.
Ouais, elle a pris un niveau, toujours plus en mobilité. Là, ici, est-ce qu'au moins ça est réussi? Soit 81, on est bien, on est bien, on est bien. Parfait. Golem.
Oh, these are my favorite fucking pants. Tailgate Brawl has turned into mascot inquisition.
J'ai personne.
I cannot outrun them forever.
Je vais attendre, hein.
It's too hot. Help.
Oh, le choc de la journée!
Busy fucking around with each other.
Mais oui. C'est... Après, je pense que... Je pense que c'est fait exprès, mais bon. Rattraper les fans, protéger... Il faut protéger... Waouh, 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 waouh. Là, faut protéger. Qui protège bien? Toi. Toi et... Et un Visimeuf. Commandant Fante... Alors, attends. Ok, t'es sur le tuyau. Toi et toi. S'il vous plaît, je vous en conjure.
rather follow up
Ne
on
vous
that.
tirez pas dans les pattes,
See
s'il
about
vous
this
plaît.
suspicious van.
Quelqu'un, ça n'a pas bougé de genre 1 heure.
Swift as the night. Sharp as my knife.
Non, lui, il servira strictement à rien. Ok, en vrai. Allez, tirez-vous encore dans les pattes. Et toi? Ouais.
Me? Right, yes.
Allez, allez, ils vont se tirer encore dans les pattes?
What happened?
She's fine. Just walked into my sword with her face a little bit.
I don't believe in punching women, but I do believe in punching demons.
Yeah, try it.
Oh là là là. Ça va foirer. Ils le font exprès. Soit c'est moi qui fais des choix de merde, soit ils le font exprès. C'est pas
Do
possible.
better next time.
Ouais, là, 100% s'il vous plaît, quand même. Voilà, merci. Qui a pris un niveau? Toi. Prends de la vigueur. Allez, s'il vous plaît. Oh, putain. C'est bon, ça passe. Oh, c'est sportif, hein.
Wow, you're on fire today.
Qu'est-ce qu'il a? Une résiste, sans aucun de puissant au combat. Ok. « 39. S'il te plaît, passe. C'est bon, ça passe.
Pleased to report my success.
Everybody should step back. Burglar
That's-
spotted, headed towards the alley on
Ouais.
Street.
D'accord, j'ai pas pu choisir.
Stay
Eh
out
ben,
of
si
my
tu
way.
veux.
Fuck off.
What are you doing in Visigow?
Not getting cut?
It's like you said, the way to win this leaderboard.
Board game is to not lose, right?
Yeah, that's not what I said.
I'm pretty sure that's what you said.
Ah bah tiens!
Yeah, so the perp that just ran by was lightning struck. This is now the second time that you let him get away.
No shit. That's crazy. Oh, chill out.
I'd normally say cut her, but the way things are going, I'd cut the whole damn team. You need a reset, Robbie.
All Z team back to base and in the conference room in 20 minutes.
Allez, combien d'échecs? Ok.
Anyone else think this is a waste of time?
Non.
Like, what are we doing? What's the fuck is the point of this?
Rather be somewhere else.
I had 1,000 better things to do. There is so many things that you want.
I was about to hit the gym to give Teresa the suits a different workout.
Can everybody take a seat so we can get started?
And I'm missing it because of this bird and shears.
Hey, can I get your attention, please? I would like to get started. So
Oh, looks like this motherfucker got the power to fly. Oh,
Bobby boy, watch where you're going, huh?
oh, serves you right.
Bon.
Hey, you. Get out of here. Yeah, you. Fucking Barney Rubble, fuck off. You can ask one of your teammates to fill you in later.
And what if I don't?
Then I won't just kick you out of this room, I'll kick you out of the whole Phoenix program. You can go back to whatever life was so lame that you thought coming here was an improvement, or you can step outside and think about what you want from all of this. Why you're here. Something everyone in this room should be thinking about.
What's Golem sitting outside for?
He's in timeout.
I got shit to do. I don't have time for this.
So we getting this party started?
Yeah, what's this shit about? Let's go. Come on. Fucking wasting my time. Let's go.
Okay, as you know, by the end of today, one of you will be cut from the Z team.
This is bullshit.
Yeah, you said that already.
cut me from a job I didn't want in the first place.
Miss Blazer, maybe if you gave us a dispatcher who knew what they were doing, you wouldn't have to throw no one out.
Hey, Nicki Mirage, I'm standing right here. You can talk to me.
I wasn't talking to you, bitch. Which weak-ass superhero team did you come from? Fucking Geek Squad?
Doesn't matter where I'm from, Cardi C. What matters is I'm here to figure out who stays and who goes.
Yeah, chill out, lady. Ha ha. Let the man talk.
Okay, whoa.
You talking shit, you hipster motherfucker? Over here looking like Mumford fucked all his sons.
That was funny. See? We're just busting balls.
Keep talking. You won't have your tiny inbred balls left to bust.
Ask next time, or there won't be a next time.
Don't threaten me, you butter knife bitch.
Okay, I'll make this quick. Most people will look around this room and see a bunch of villains. Not even the super kind, just plain ass, run-of-the-mill, vanilla fucking villains. But that's not what I see. 'Cause lucky for you, I'm not most people. When I look around this room, what I see is...
Did you not plan this ahead of time?
potential.
Got there in the end.
Unfortunately for you, it's a curse. 'Cause there isn't a thing in the universe that goes more wasted than potential. And despite how common it is, no one seems to forget. It's what they whisper when you leave the room. Oh, so-and-so had so much potential. It follows you forever. I'm here to help you lift the curse of potential by getting you to fucking do something with it. You're all part of the Phoenix program. Any of you know what a Phoenix is?
Ooh, city in Arizona.
Yeah, the sweltering ball sack of America.
Nah, if Florida's the dick, then Louisiana's gotta be the ball sack. Just, you know, position.
The Phoenix,
sorry,
according to legend, is a beautiful bird of prey that was so tired of its immortality, it tricked the sun god into dropping a spark on its nest to set it ablaze, burning it to shit. But instead of dying, the Phoenix emerged from ash, reborn. All of you in this room are Phoenixes, and it's obvious what that means. But for you dumb ones, I'll spell it out. The Phoenix symbolizes redemption. It's what you're here for. It's what connects everyone in this room. To burn up who you were, to become who you were meant to be.
Phoenix is also a lame-ass band my lame-ass roommate listens to.
You're late.
I like that band.
You would. What are you talking about? I was here the whole time. I turned invisible, genius, remember?
Great. Then you know we're cutting someone, and you, Miss Hot Topic Sale, are at the bottom of the leaderboards. Have a better second shift.
Fuck, I need this job.
What for, Coupe? We all know you'll just be working the roulette wheel.
That's a croupier, you idiot.
The fuck's a croupier? I'm just saying, you're a degenerate gambler.
Je regrette d'avoir viré Golem. Mais bon, faut se faire respecter, au moins ça leur a fait un peu montrer les commandes.
Great speech back there, Robert.
Thanks.
All right, everyone, you heard the man. Get out there and do some stellar dispatching. You got this.
Ouais, qu'est-ce qu'on a?
Requires protection while he does some shopping.
Ok.
I remember this man, and he's right to be paranoid. Secret police hired me 3 years ago to kill him. He pissed off the wrong dictator, who shall remain nameless.
Ok. Donc il me faut quelqu'un qui fait de la protection. Golem. Golem me semble le plus adapté. Ouais, je pense Golem. Être prêt à repousser toute attaque. Ouais. Eh ben Golem. Je le savais.
Glad to get out of that.
Bah non.
Someone need a bait.
Il va pas vouloir m'écouter, c'est pas grave. On va se démerder sans. Bon, pour l'instant, c'est calme. Ok, ensuite. Allez, réglez calmement.
I like her. You basic bat bitch. You've got super hearing and you use it to listen to a girl who knows 4 chords and can't write a song to save her life.
Say what you want. It's catchy.
Unbelievable.
Dis-moi que t'as réussi, je t'en conjure. C'est bon, ça passe.
I mean, yeah. Good work, I guess.
Allez, hop là. Et puis après, on augmentera ses combats. Bon, tu vas m'écouter, Golem, ou...
Yo, Mal, what kind of music you got in your heavy rotation right now?
You know, honestly, it's a lot of ska, but I had like a really big techno yodel
Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
recently too.
Dang. Anything good you'd recommend?
Depends. Do you like the sensation of your ears bleeding?
Nah, I'm good.
All right, all for me. And that's how we do it down under.
Nickel. Parfait. On est en train de gérer pour l'instant. Ok.
I think there's some kind of cult recruiting outside my store. They're creeping everyone out.
Là, ça aurait été pas mal que je l'ai, mais bon. On va prendre ça. Ouais, et elle, hein.
Close your eyes. You're not gonna like what you see anyway.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Si on gagne de tenir réellement une secte qui retrouve hein, qui est la meilleure approche. Détruit, ça va être ça. Donc on va ça. Parce que je pense que ça va être le cerveau. J'espère. Ah!
You want me to out-talk cultists? Bro, this shit is so easy I could do it in my sleep. Besides, higher consciousness is a key pillar of my 13-part online course.
Eh ben pour l'instant on est bien. On est même plus que bien. Continue en intelligence. Et toi en combat. On est bien pour l'instant. Allez, donc du coup là il est plus intelligent, c'est que de la baston. Allez, est-ce que je peux envoyer Golem? Résistance. Golem. Pour pif. Pour picourt pif. Allez, on envoie les 3. Bon, Golem a voulu m'écouter, c'est déjà ça. Pour l'instant, ça se passe bien. Là, qu'est-ce qu'on a? Ok.
But he's still alive. Are you going soft on us?
Oh merde.
Please. They couldn't pay. So, I canceled the job. No cash, no kill. So far, SDN's always paid on time and in full, so...
Hop, on va envoyer les deux.
Kill or protect, as they see fit.
I thought they didn't let us kill people around here.
As
J'aurais dû envoyer flambeau ou sonar. Ici. Moi, je pense que c'est du 100%. Voilà. Tournoi interrompu. Qui a pris un point? Toi, toujours plus en combat. Ok, on est pas mal. Là, est-ce que vous avez réussi? 80, ça devrait le faire. C'est bon, ça le fait.
Looking good out there.
Ok, on gère. Allez, pour l'instant, il faudrait que j'envoie un peu sonar parce que pour flambeau, parce qu'il a pas fait de truc depuis tout à l'heure. Ok. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Participer ou interrompre? Ok. Allez, vas-y. Apprendre à voler. Les héros volants ont besoin d'une licence de vol. Du coup, il n'y a que les 3. Tiens, un flambeau. Voilà.
Cool. You think the SDN can be bribed? Maybe this whole leaderboard thing goes away.
Bribes? Doubtful, but How do you think they feel about
Non, non, non.
No.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
desperate fucks?
Tu peux envoyer quelqu'un, j'ai besoin d'un assistant. Allez, vas-y.
25.
What?
This is our 25th time being paired together.
Yeah, but who's counting?
I am.
Oh, yeah.
Ouais, donc il a réussi, il est content.
My client requires protection at the Torrance Pier.
Ok.
Alright, bye, bitch.
Ouais, avec sonar.
It's on my radar.
Pour l'instant, ça se passe bien. Qu'est-ce qui se passe ici? Ok. Participer à un débat amical.
No, no way I'm doing that.
Ah bah vous deux, hein.
On my way.
La paire, hein. Ouais.
Hold the fuck up. Punch. You and Coop took out 12 guys in 2 minutes?
Oh, back in the day, our personal best was 14.
Eh, stylé.
What the fuck? Ow.
Punch-Up's got a special technique.
Merde, my bad.
Classy stuff. Maybe if you ask nice.
Eh.
My lips are sealed.
Nous avons... Ok. Sauf qu'elle voulait pas. Elle m'a dit non. Protéger le client. Ça va être ça va être la vigueur. En fait, dans tous les cas, j'aurais réussi parce que combat j'ai 9 et vigueur j'avais 8. Donc dans tous les cas, on est bon.
Half man, half bat, all freak. Yo, Flambe. About your position at the top of the leaderboard.
Don't be jealous.
I took a little peek at your file. Apparently you've contained more fires than anyone else on the team.
I'm like a psychic, man. I can sense where they're going to be before they happen.
Listen, there's a lot of potential here for a good housing insurance scheme. Just need a middleman. I could be your guy.
Ah, interesting. You know, if I'm ever in the market for a rat with wings...
C'est bien, eux, ils sont en train de faire une synergie. Bon, donc s'il te plaît. Allez, si tu veux. Ah! Je vais attendre que tout le monde soit au repos. Ok. Et là... Bam! Rattrape-toi. Je veux garder... On va en envoyer que 3. Et au moins là, je peux envoyer les 2. Voilà. Entraînement. Oh! Réussir 2 fois fait passer le combat et la mobilité au niveau max. Ah ouais. Et là... Non, on va prendre ça. Allez, parfait. Merde. Toujours pas. Ok, donc les 2 sont revenus, ça c'est nickel. Qu'est-ce qui se passe ici? Est-ce que j'ai un petit temps ou pas? Ouais, ok, ça marche. Ok, waouh. Oh, sa mère. Oh, non, bas, non, gauche, non, droite, droite, oh, droite. Ah ouais. Ok, oh, gauche. Ok, bas, 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 gauche, bas, droite, bas, droite, bas, bas, droite, haut, droite, droite, bas, droite, haut, droite, haut. Ouais. Jesus. Toujours plus d'intelligence. Ah, et je vois du coup ce que ça donne. Incroyable. Et toi, toujours plus en combat. Ok. Eux, j'espère qu'ils s'en sortent. Logiquement, oui. C'est bon. Allez, on l'a chopé.
Don't call me baby. But thanks, dude.
Parfait.
Pretty breathtaking work back there.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all.
This shit is weird. It's like we're working, what's the word? As a team.
Uh-huh.
Bah oui.
That's got a name. It's teamwork.
Isn't that like a sex thing?
What type of sex thing would that be?
It's not really safe for work, you know. I'll text it to you. One sec.
Oh, damn, boy. That's some fucking teamwork, all right?
Need to get some steps in anyway.
I knew I had a good feeling about you.
Bon, dommage pour les 4 échecs, mais c'est pas grave. Un essai de piratage et un point aléatoire. Nice, je prends. Pif. Nice. Finir une période sans échec. Oh, nice.
Invisiga, where are you going?
There you go. One more strike against me. You gotta get rid of somebody, right? I'm making it easy for you.
No, you're quitting. You're not making it easy for me. You're making it easy for you.
You don't get it. Some people are born to be heroes. I'm not one of them. I tried. Just wasn't meant to be.
Détrompe-toi.
Meant to be? What are you talking about?
Blazer, Sonoma Man, they have hero powers.
Mm-hmm.
Strong out there for all to see.
Flying through the sky. Nothing to hide.
What's your point?
I have fucking villain powers. I can turn invisible.
Pas forcément.
And skulk in the shadows.
Ah, et alors?
My powers let me steal shit and watch famous people fuck. Being a villain is my fate.
Non, tu peux changer.
It's in the fucking stars. In the same way that blonde Blazer was always meant to be a hero.
Le dessin, c'est des conneries.
It's bullshit. It's just something we cling to because we think we're the main character of life. We're not.
We're a bunch of flesh blobs with depression on a floating rock.
Is that supposed to be comforting?
Yeah, because no one's paying attention if you want to switch things up.
You've already been a hero, okay? You have no idea what I'm dealing with.
Oh, get out of here. At least you were born with powers. I don't have shit. So according to your dumbass theory, I should be an accountant.
Vrai.
You aren't far off.
Fate, destiny, not having powers, seasonal depression, none of these things kept me
From being a hero before. And they won't keep me from being a hero again. Oh.
Mais on l'a chopé.
You want to talk about fate?
That lightning struck fuck that's been on a spree is 2 blocks from your location. Maybe the third time's the charm.
I told you. I'm out.
You really want to let this idiot get one over on you a third time?
What makes you think it'd be any different?
Pas saigner sur lui.
I get it. You know what I like to do when I'm pissed? Punch things. Often, bad people.
I do like to punch things.
I know, you're great at it. Go be great one more time.
Or are you just gonna sit there and subject kids to secondhand smoke?
Don't do it. Don't fucking give that kid a cigarette.
He's the one I bummed it from. What's the address?
Allez, super.
Shut the fuck up!
You ain't worried about a hero crashing the party?
Nah, load that up.
Where's your boy? That you, donut girl. You sure you want to do this again?
Ça y est, il panique.
Invisigal, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just help me find this fucker.
Got him. He's at your 5 o'clock.
It's not fair that you can see me, but I can't see you.
Oh, putain.
I'm flying blind here. I can't see anything. Great. Give me a second to tap into this.
Oh, ça va, j'ai pas de temps.
All right. A little more tricky.
Sure, take your time.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Hein? Ok, d'accord, faut pas que j'aille là. Oh.
Oh, fuck.
What? What is it?
Antivirus. There you are.
Allez hop, c'est bon. Ok, d'accord, donc maintenant j'aurai des antivirus à gérer aussi.
I can see again.
That makes one of us. So where the hell is he?
Il est où?
I can't see him from this camera. Let me try to get another one online.
On va faire ça, regardez. Hop, on va la tirer par là.
My bad.
Hop. Allez, comme ça, il peut pas m'atteindre. Let's go. Ok, et de ce que je vois, j'ai droit à 3 essais.
He's at your 7.
That wasn't so hard, was it?
He's heading your way.
Ok, qu'est-ce que j'ai à faire maintenant?
Invisigal, I got a plan.
Qu'est-ce qu'il va faire? Allez, viens là, mon grand.
Fuck you, fuck you.
Woo!
Got it. On the count of 3, I'm going to turn on the main overhead lights, which should temporarily blind him.
Giving you a chance to take him out.
1,
2,
3.
Merde. Ah, c'est du solide, hein.
I'm no hero. Fuck, no, let me try that again. See me? Wait, what about lights out, Thundercuck?
Pas mal le dernier.
That's the one. Would have been better if you said it first.
Right, because lightning, thunder, struck, cookbook, so close.
Hey, Bangle boy! More like Bangle bitch!
Or bitch boy!
Hey, Bangle bitch boy, fuck you! Way to go!
Why are those assholes not being assholes?
Isn't
Grâce à
this
toi.
what you were going for?
Yeah, but I didn't think it would work. I don't get it.
So, this one keeps the comm line one-on-one.
Yeah.
This one connects to the whole team, and this one goes out to the entire branch.
Fuck.
Good job. Yeah, you got off light. One dispatcher broadcast the details of his botched circumcision. HR nightmare. Did you mean all that? You really think she has a shot? All that stuff about fate sounded good, but I don't know if you were just saying what you thought she needed to hear.
Tout le monde a une chance.
Yeah, everyone has a shot. People are who they choose to be. If Invisigal wants this, she has to commit. It's too easy to quit when you're not good at something.
It's a steep learning curve.
Yeah, that was great.
This mission was textbook.
Genuinely, dude, I'm really happy for you.
Ah putain.
So, it's between Sonar and Coop.
What? That's not no. Invisigal's still at the bottom of the board.
Oh, the one in the bullpen? That thing updates every hour. Invisigal moved up. Catching
Oh,
lightning
nice.
struck really gave her a huge boost.
Bangle Boy? Really?
The donut shop escape, slipping past Malevola, now the jewelry store, really bumped up the wanted levels.
It's like missing the free throw on purpose to get the putback.
Yeah, exactly. I don't watch football, but I get it. Look, I know I'm not supposed to play favorites here, but even if she was on the
Je suis
bottom,
désolé, vraiment, je parle pas pour ces vidéos parce que je suis à fond dans l'histoire.
yeah. So, these two are now tied for last place. Who do we cut? Sonar or Coop? It's your call. I support it all the way.
Ah, c'est horrible. Ah, c'est horrible, je peux pas. Putain. Après, tout à l'heure, je disais que le plus facile à virer, ce serait Sonar. Parce que, avec ces changements, c'est compliqué à gérer. Et notre côté, l'autre avec les couteaux, putain, mais elle s'entend bien. Je vais pas choisir. Je choisis pas. Et au pire, on reviendra dessus et on fera un choix, mais je peux pas choisir. Dis-moi qu'il y a un troisième choix. Je veux pas. Je peux pas. Ah putain, ça vire Sonar.
Sonar it is. He had to use his distress beacon before he even left the building today, so I'm not sure it's gonna work.
What happened?
He thought he was gonna see boobs and got tricked.
You somehow gave me too much detail and not enough detail in one sentence. All right, I'll get started on the paperwork.
Bon, après, ça reste un choix cohérent avec ce que je voulais au départ, mais...
Robert,
Uh-huh.
great work today.
Putain. Ah putain.
So, I'm sure you know why you're here.
Nah, not at all, man. No clue. What's up? What's going on, Robbie?
You, well, I'm cutting you.
What? No. What? Invisigal's. So she should be getting cut. She's on the bottom.
Not anymore, actually. Her last dispatch put her above you.
Oh, merde.
They're gonna call security.
This isn't over.
It actually is. Sorry it didn't work out.
Watch your back, Robert. Why is this? What? Did you?
No. You must have just locked it.
Sorry, force of... Fuck you!
You accessorizing?
You could call it that.
Did he try to choke you with that or something?
No, he just left it.
You're lucky he just stopped at the tie. Hey, check it out. I've been doing some accessorizing myself.
Il a fait un coin pour le chien. Oh!
You ready to go home, bud?
Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Ah, elle regarde où elle est montée. Elle a pris 2 places. Ah! On va le prendre en photo. C'était sûr. Ah! Lui, il la sent.
Well, no one fucking asked you, old man.
Lucky fucking for you.
Thanks.
That's my boy. Bah, ça me fait chier quand même pour Sonar. Mais bon, après en même temps, ouais, le mec dès le début il se laisse distraire. Ça me fait chier parce que c'est un mec qui était bien en termes de charisme et intelligence, donc je vais devoir build quelqu'un en intelligence, mais c'est pas grave. Combien de gens? Que 36 ans. Mais pourquoi ils ont renvoyé la lame? Ok. Ah ouais, il y a que 20... Ouais, j'avoue que à contre-coup, ça m'a fait chier de le virer, mais... Ok. Ouais, du coup, logique. 100% des joueurs et vous avez dit... Vous êtes des phénix, c'est 28. Que 28, le destin c'est des conneries? Ok, sur les 5 fois où un héros a été saboté, vous l'avez... Ok. On va envoyer ok, et on réussit à protéger, d'accord. Ouais, cool. Taux de succès normal. En vrai, c'était un bon épisode. Hein. C'était un très bon épisode. Alors, ce que j'aime bien faire, pour être honnête avec vous, c'est qu'à la fin des épisodes, j'aime bien voir les différents choix qui s'offraient à moi. Et du coup, j'aime bien voir un petit peu les résultats que ça aurait pu faire. Donc là, franchement, je vais sûrement aller voir quel était le mieux, en vrai, entre virer entre les deux. Ça ne change pas que je vais rester sur Sonar. Mais par exemple, sur le fait de ne pas laisser Golem entrer. Ça me fait chier un peu. Mais bon. Je me dis que... Peut-être que si au tout début j'avais changé. Mais bon. Écoutez. C'est pas grave. On va rester comme ça. Au moins on fait partie des peu de personnes qui ne l'ont pas laissé entrer. Je pense qu'on aura d'autres occasions de comment dire... de rattraper la chose. Voilà. Mais sur ce, nous, messieurs, dames, nous allons nous laisser ici. Je vous remercie d'avoir regardé cette vidéo jusqu'au bout. Encore une fois, je m'excuse si je ne parle pas beaucoup. C'est que je suis vraiment à fond sur la série. Et du coup, je regarde tout. C'est voilà. Mais après, dites-moi en commentaire si ça vous dérange ou non, bien évidemment. Après, n'hésitez pas, le petit like, le petit commentaire. Et cette fois-ci, vous savez quoi? Dites-moi qui vous auriez viré entre justement Sonar et Coup. Voilà, et Coupe, du moins. Lequel des deux auriez-vous viré? En attendant, sinon, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner, bien évidemment. Ça me fait extrêmement plaisir et ça m'aide énormément pour le référencement. Écoutez, moi, je vous dis à la prochaine. Mais avant cela, n'oubliez pas la chose la plus importante. Vous êtes les goats que vous pensez être. Messieurs, dames, c'était Gorenito. Je vous dis à la prochaine. Des bisous.